Hello, everyone. So this video is for you if you are a SaaS owner or a product owner, or if you have a website. So this video is particularly for you. I'm going to show you how you can use Skreno for your product and website to trace the bugs and issues that your customer face, and you have to ask for screenshots or video or something like that to get the context for your developer teams and QA teams. So this video is going to help you, and let me show you how this works for you. And stick around and you will be able to see it in action. Okay, so the particular features we're looking for inside Skreno is that bug tracing and the request, sending a request or using the SDK. So here we will be able to see a console log and network logs from your customers when they record, also the whole screen recording as well. So if I go to my dashboard here, let's make it smaller from now. Okay. So here in the SDK, we have a complete way for you to set it up. So here this website has the SDK, and you just install it, and then you just for your SaaS products, you want any of your custom domain or any of your subdomain to works. So in that case, you would use for any domain setup. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you, and you would be using the verified options. So with the verified options, you can actually send the user details using the JWT token authentication mechanism and keep it secure. So here you go. We have the works on any domain. So you can use your wildcard domain or any domain from here. So if you turn it on, you have to set up your JWT token authentication so that no one else can send videos and stay safe for you. So once you install this one, you will be able to also you can easily install it if you have only one site or a few sites. Okay, then you can install it, and then you can say, okay, I need a floating button. So this will automatically come, and you do not have to work on anything else. So if I go to my one of the website that we have implemented it, it's hub.easycommentary.com. My network is a little bit slow, so that it might take us a little time. So meanwhile, let me show you. Once you install this script in your website, then you will be able to see something like that, and you can change the positioning from here, 4 positions available. You can just set up anywhere you want. So if you click on it, it will start recording for you. So I will show you a different one that has a more custom features and customized. So you can send a lot of details, and the can work for any SaaS application. So if you are a SaaS owner, definitely you should try Skreno for yourself as well. So let me go ahead and show you. So this is our EasyCoast website and EasyCoast SaaS platform. So inside EasyCoast SaaS, what you can do, or what we have done, is that we have added a bug icon here. And using this bug icon, we can easily record a customer. Let's say this is a wildcard domain. So a customer who owns this domain or the tenant, they can simply, if they find any issue, they can simply click on this one. And once they click on this one, they will see a reporting bug options here, and they just give their name. Normally it would auto populate here, and then they can start the recording for their bugs. So once they record, it will capture all the issues of that site. So for example, let's say I have an issue here or there, I can simply visit the website or reproduce the errors that we have. Okay, and simply after reproducing, it will create complete logs for us and the debug log and everything exactly as it is. Okay, so once it generates and the client is done, finished, they just simply come here and then click stop and send. And once this is done, my network a little bit slow, so it might take a little bit time. So once this is done, you'll get an email from the system, and also you will be able to see it all inside your dashboard as well. So let me see if this is the correct account. So no, this is not the correct account. So it will not come here. It will go to a different account. So if we come here, we can see it how this works, and the anyone from anywhere would not be able to see this one. It is unlisted. So with this URL, they can access, and they will not be able to see the debug log as well. So the log is only for the SDK owners. not for anyone. So this is going to be really, really helpful. So let me see if I can actually log into that account. There you go. If I come to the request, you see, so the video is available right here, and we can click on it, and here you go. And if we take it there, we see a debug info here. So inside the debug info, we can see what errors we have. So one console error we can see here. So it is available right here, if any errors. And then if we have any transcript, so the transcript and AI will summarize all those things. And if it find any issues, then it will find out the issue exactly when it happened. So this is really, really cool for your customers, and they can easily find out what went wrong, and then you do not have to ask for the context and all sort of things like that. Okay, so yep, if you are a SaaS owner or a product owner, or if you have a website where you constantly need to ask for your customer for debug information and all sort of things, you can easily use this Skreno SDK and make it work. So yeah, thank you for watching.